Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME 11 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first enroll list of all apps, find and select settings, then go to users and accounts and tap on add account. Then select Google and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. Click on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Now you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, tap on I agree. Actually, you have no other choice because otherwise you will not be able to add your Google account here. And that's it. Then whenever you wish to remove your account, just mark it, tap on more icon and select remove account. Then just confirm that you truly want to remove account with all its data. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.